everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful village house with scenery like this. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw the roof of the house, then long lines on both sides. The door of this house. This time I'm going to draw 2 windows. Like this. Wow! Awesome! Single line. The bushes behind the house. This time, I'm going to draw a tree. Okay, it's beautiful. Wow! This time, I'm drawing a sun very beautifully. Similarly, I will plant bushes behind the house. Then the hill like this. Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Great! Let's start coloring. First, I will use green color on the tree. Green is my favorite color. I'm giving the light green color to the bushes behind the house, like this. Wow, that's great! The sun orange color. Then the hill is peach color like this. Brown color. This time I'm giving the roof of the house a light blue color. I'm painting the entire wall of the house pink, just like this. The doors and windows yellow on the peach-colored street. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!